How to determine whether a pandas column contains a particular value. I am trying to determine whether there is an entry in a pandas column that has a particular value. I tried to do this with if x in df I.d. I thought this was working, except when I fed it a value that I knew was not in the column 43 in df I.d. It still returned true. When I subset to a data frame only containing entries matching the missing ID df I.d. equals 43, there are, obviously, no entries in it. How do I determine if a column in a pandas data frame contains a particular value and why doesn't my current method work? FYI, I have the same problem when I use the implementation in this answer to a similar question.
If a series checks whether the value is in the index. One option is to see if it's in unique values, or a Python set. As pointed out by a DSM, it may be more efficient, especially if you're just doing this for one value, to just use indirectly on the values.
You can also use pandas.series.isn, although it's a little bit longer than a in s.values. But this approach can be more flexible if you need to match multiple values at once for a data frame. See dataframe.isn.
The found.count will contains number of matches. And if it is 0, then means string was not found in the column.
You can try this to check a particular value x in a particular column named id.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.